Hello and welcome to this video tutorial where I show you how to boost a Facebook post. So there's a difference in boosting an already already completed post on your Facebook page as opposed to, say, ads or running ads. You have specific ads that you're running. What we're going to be talking about today is boosting an already organic post on your Facebook page. So what you want to do, log into your Facebook account, go ahead and go to your Facebook timeline and find the post that you want to boost. Now remember, boosting requires you to spend money to basically put your Facebook post in front of new people, right? That's the whole point of boosting a Facebook post. So what we want to do is go to that post that you want to boost, and you'll see a button down below that post that says Boost Post. If you click on the blue button, you'll then be presented with the options and settings for boosting that post. Now, remember, in order for you to do this, you have to have an ad account. So just go to your Facebook account, go to your Facebook page, and create an ad account. Once you have one, you'll see it up here in the right-hand corner. Select the one that is applicable to this specific Facebook page if you have multiple Facebook ad or marketing accounts. And then what we want to do is start from the top. What is the goal of boosting this Facebook post? Right now it's set to automatic, but if we click on change, we can change the goal of this boost to either be get more messages through Messenger, get more engagement, like reactions, likes, shares like that, get more leads, so direct sales on a Facebook or website, our Facebook page or website, or get more calls to your business or service operation, whatever it may be. And then you can see that you can have one here that says get more website visitors. This one's good for traffic or not organic, but paid traffic to your website. So we're going to say we want to get more leads to convert to sales, and we're going to go ahead and click save. So choose the goal for the boost. And then we want to go to Advantage Plus Creative. You can either uncheck or check that. You can hit the little eye icon here to see kind of what that is. I would just leave that checked for now unless you find it kind of impacting the boost negatively in the future. If you're doing your first boost, which I assume you are, you're going to need to learn a lot with this first few, so don't spend a whole bunch of money right off. Next, we have special ad category. I wouldn't do this unless you already know it's going to be a special ad category. The next thing I want you to look at is audience. This is going to be your advanced or set audience. For me, I already have an advanced audience that I have selected or created. So what you can do is you can uncheck this. You can either hit the pencil icon or create audience here, and you'll be presented with the ability to curate who you want to see this ad. So you can change it from gender, men or women. So for this post, I want it to be just women, and I want them to be in the age range of, say, 25 to, say, 55. Then what I want to do is locations. I can add locations. I can just say, I only want it to be the United States. I only want it to be a specific state. So for me, I'm going to type in the United States. Go ahead and select that, and it's going to basically apply to that entire country. So for me, it'd be the United States of America. Next, as you can see here, you want this to be in the green. You don't want it to be too specific, and yet you don't want it to be too broad. You want it to be right here, and then you can see the estimated audience size to be 66 to 78 million people. So we're going to click Save Audience here. And then once we've done that, you can see that you can check boxes like people you choose through targeting, people who like your page, people who like your page and people are similar to them. So I like to select that one to begin with and then kind of see where I want to go. Next is going to be scheduling a duration. Make sure you do this because if you don't put an end date, if you only put a start date, it's going to continuously run and you're going to, lose track of time. And maybe next thing you know, you're getting charged $100 every day or $100 every week, whatever it may be. So choose your start date. So we're going to say start date to be today and the start time to be 12:30 a.m. And we only want it to run for a specific amount of days. We're only going to let it run for 7 days, a full week, and it lets you know that it's going to end on January 22nd, 2024. Now, you see here, this is going to be your total budget, not a daily budget, a total budget. Facebook will allocate it throughout the days how they see fit. So click the pencil icon here, and let's say we only want it to be a $50 budget. So your total budget, total amount that you're going to be spending is over here on the right-hand side. Placements. Now, if you choose this Advanced Plus Placements, it's not going to place the boost on just Facebook. It'll be under Messenger, it'll be Instagram, any Meta platform, anything under the Meta name that can, run these boost or ads. Then we have a pixel. We're not going to get into that today. That's where you would need to go and create a pixel. And if you're sending people to your website, it's very important that you know kind of where they're coming from. So a pixel allows you to do that. There are other videos. I have one on my channel showing you how to create a Facebook pixel. So you can go ahead and activate that so you know kind of how and where people are coming to your site from. And then the payment method, very important. So for me, it's going to be my PayPal account. You can change that or add that by go to change or add here. And then you choose the method of payment, whether it be a credit card or a PayPal account. And then you just click the blue Boost Post Now button or option here. And when you do that, it will not immediately begin posting. It will have to get approved through the Facebook kind of marketing or ad network. And normally it takes anywhere from, I'd say, a few hours to 24 hours to get that. Normally, for what I found, it's been around the 3-4 hour mark. And then your post will be boosted. All of this will be the same on mobile, by the way. You'll see that boost post underneath that post on mobile as well. And in order to check kind of the analytics of the boosted post, you'll see something here that says like see insights under boosted post here. And when you do that, you'll be able to kind of see what that boosted post has done in regards to reactions, link clicks, shares, things like that. Facebook does a pretty good job of showing you all of those things. So that's it. That's how you boost a post on Facebook. If you have any questions, please put those in the comment section down below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if this helped you out. And I'll see you guys in the next video.